plantain shutters. So we have four main different types of plantain shutters, from PVC, wooden, and to the aluminium. All are of very high range quality finishing. But we do ask by a lot of customers that how do they clean our products, like specifically the plantain shutters, and how do they remove the scratches if anything happens to them with any sharp object, etc. So first we're gonna discuss like how you clean up the plantain shutter day to day. So what you gotta do is either you can take a simple dry cloth and just rub off the blades um, gently, and it's gonna remove the all the dirt or dust, anything like that. So this dry cloth. So the second option is you can always use a very soft cleaning brush. Just make sure it is very soft, or there's no sharp items on the edges, so you can just firmly clean it off with the brush, and it takes only seconds. Now if we discuss through, like, for example, if you bring the camera closer and show these marks, they came from the rings. So if any hard scratches are there with the rings, or any jewelry, or, like, even any object which you are moving around the plantain shutters, so if any scratches happen, what you do is I'll show you one of the products. So this is a magic razor. We bought it from Bunnings. It's just $5, and what you gotta do is you can cut a small brick out of that, and just pop a little drop of water, just one single drop of water, and just scratch off the marks. So that's how easy it is to remove all the scratches from our plantain shutters. Please let us know down in the comments if you have any further questions in regards to cleaning or removing the scratches. We'll be definitely able to help you out, or just give us a call on 0405 885 885. Thank you.